everyone, my name is Jim Seed, and we're putting together a D-Rex Racer Chair Formula Series. Yeah, and so we got the top with the back with the seat part together almost, just need to tighten some screws. So yeah, bear with me, I have no editing program at the moment because I use Windows 10 and it's kind of a punishment, but if you know anything that works good with Windows 10, let me know in that comment section below. And if you want a DX Racer chair for yourself, kind of pricey, but if you got around $270 or like $280 and you want to spend, that's the cheapest one I found, at least justforgaming.com. There's a link in below in the description section, and you will help me out if you actually go through and purchase one through that link. So just a thought. If you're looking for the review video, I will have one after I assemble it, and that's proof as hell. And yeah, after I assemble it and use it for a bit, I will do a review, and I'll probably do a recap review after that. Like after I had it for a while, you know what I mean? So if you're looking for the initial unboxing, you have clicked on the wrong video. And I should put a subtext for that. Or I'll probably make a playlist. Yeah, you could check out the DX Racer playlist, because it'll have the screw's not going in right. They'll have the unboxing, the assembly, and the review, and the follow-up review. So there's all that. So feel free to watch that whole playlist. Why not? While you're at it. This is when living by yourself and everything kind of sucks. Because, you know, living that life I live, I have little to no friends. And none of them live near me. So that's super cool. Do. Yeah. So remember, kids, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Why wasn't this going straight? What's the deal here? See, this when you can have someone help you. It'd be nice. Kind of. Loosen that up. So what's going on? How are you? Are you still watching? Thanks for sticking around if you are. Yep. I would put music normally, but you know, copyrights and all that good stuff. What's the deal? Set to, This is very frustrating, and Probably boring to watch, but we're doing it. You're watching it. I appreciate the hell out of you, so hugs and kisses, you know. Alright, there we go. Now it's in there. Now look at instructions. I hate these kind of instructions where it's just pictures. Like, look at it. One page, and it's just pictures. That's how you do. You just gotta assemble all that. Easy, right? You would think it would be easy. But so far, not so bad. Right now, we're connecting the back to the butt. The back to the seat. And then we're going to put gonna tighten these nuts or screws. What do you call Allen wrench screws? Screws that need an Allen wrench? Right? I'll be here all week. It's nice that they assemble the bottom and the back, and you just gotta put them together. That's really nice. I'll lift it up and show you all the screws down there. Yeah, let me tighten that first. Rug's coming up, so that's super cool. Yeah. So I have 1, 2, 3 lights plus sunlight right now, so if you're wondering. Says a lot about our lighting production here. Little to none. Oh, and I lost my contact today, so that's super cool. Oh, got it together though. So here, I'll show you the bottom. See all those screws? I'm glad that comes pre-screwed. That's real awesome. Okay, now we're gonna put these on. It's super cool. I think they just snap on. Does it say which is the right is the one that's dipped? The thing. So that's this one. This is the right. Now, how's it gonna go? Right. So, wait, Allen wrench. I think key. My bad. Still Allen wrench though. Right. 3. So I think this is just gonna slip over. Put down. Like that. I don't know. Wow, that snuck on there pretty good. Went up really easy too. Let's see how easy they'll have to go on. Probably not the same. With ease. That will go in there. What the hell, man? Got it. Yep. Okay. Next. Square. Okay, so now we need to flip it up and rest it on the box. Okay, so it looks like we had to take out 4 screws, those and those. This is fairly easy for a share, actually. I'm just by myself with one contact lens. Good thing it's my good eye, or my bad eye has a contact, my good eye doesn't. So, the right one again, yeah, I know. Can you believe it? Didn't even have that for a month. Maybe I'll get a discount, but I doubt it. Okay. Uh-oh. Maybe I'm going that way. Yep. Ready tight enough to this thing? Yep. Yep. That way. We did it, we did it, we did it. So yeah, again, if you know any Windows 10 type editing software or program, let me know. I would really appreciate it, because I would like to edit videos again and like to put music over this whole thing, actually. Okay. Let's speed it up. Take it too dang long. Kinda. Yeah, take a while. Okay, so like that. Okay. Right. Yep, so that seems kind of weird. Why would you put that in the back? Okay. Whatever. There. Man, this shit is heavy. Sonic boom! What happens when you live in the desert by the airfield? Lost the washer. God damn it. Starting to get a backache. Where'd it go? Whatever. Ow. We seriously just use a screw. Found it. Right. Got that. Get in there. Get in there. Take a little bit. Flash. Oh, okay. Here we go. Got that washer. Put that in there. That go there. Sitting on the Allen wrench. Okay, let me take this one. So this is actually fairly easy. I thought this would be way more difficult. It's just time consuming. This one. So, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching to this point at least. We just got to put the feet and the actual tube part next, which shouldn't be too bad. So, and I haven't swore too much, right? I might have only sworn once. I'm not very frustrated yet, so we're good. And again, dude, editing software would be awesome. So if you know a program that's free and works on Windows 10, let me know. I would really, really appreciate it. And again, if you want a DX Racer chair for your office or your gaming or whatever you want, there's a link in the description that you could use, and it will help me out. So, right. Again, if I had somebody, this would go way faster. And if I had my other contact, I could see better. But I don't, so. This function. Okay, we're not going to do all that. Okay, so we just turn it over and plug the feet in and click thing and then put the thing together. Super cool, super sweet. There's finish this. Yeah, this touch goes, can you? Yep. So that's gonna go like that, and that's gonna go like that. I don't know. Feet. Oh, that's nice. The feet are in the big zippy bag. You could put your controls, your cables, locking key, not your weed. So I think there's a spare key washer. No order. Just chaos and disorder. How I like it. Ow! Pinched my finger. Try like this different angle. They're actually on my TV stand instead of my desk. Cause we're cheeky! Fine. This one. Fine. We got the wheels. Next are those green things. Right? And even though it said the wheels on top of the instructions, huh? What's this paperwork? Oh, some of the auto covers. That's nice! A bigger picture. So that these are facing that way? Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Next! Okay. Where's the... Oh, my bad. Doesn't want to come out fuller. Okay. No cover for the bottom. That's kind of weird. There we go. Enough. Yikes! See, there's like no cover for the bottom part in here. Sits in there, and then that clunks down on top of it, and then it shows you put in the chair on top of it. Because this chair doesn't weigh a ton. Action. We're doing this all wrong. Okay. Okay. We fucked up. That's fine. That's that. We got on top. It's sure nice, sure comfortable. So yeah, that's that. Peace. Thanks for watching. Thanks for bearing with me. Have a good one.